Okay, I just wanted to show this real quick. I'm opening up more pipette tips. If the 1,000 microliter ones come in a package like this from Fisher brand, it is kind of stupid the way it's packaged and doesn't conceptually make sense to people who have not seen it before, and I've made this mistake my first time opening these up, so I'm showing you this. Might not be needed, but you know. Okay, we're opening up the package. This is the lid that goes to this bottom box. So basically, I need to get 5. No, I only need to get 1, but there's 5 extra ones of these that need 5 more boxes. And we save the boxes from old tips to UV. So we have 1. I'm just gonna do however many. I'll do 2 and then leave the rest. And so I'm gonna UV these, and then I'll then show you how it's supposed to go. So I have these pipette boxes where these are gonna go. UV. I'll make sure that the lids are facing up because the UV light comes from the top. So anything that you want sterilized should be facing up. I'm just gonna go in for 3 minutes. Okay, we're gonna get started with something else and set a timer for the 3 minutes to take out the tips. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Okay.
3 minutes, counting down.
And we're immediately closing them. Immediately closing them so that it remains sterile. Okay, this actually has to be open for this part. Okay. Now this is new. Take my tape. We're gonna put sterile initials and the date that it was opened. 7 November 2024. Okay. And I'm gonna just do the same thing for this guy. So you push this down, top down. And I'm getting my next guy ready. You always have to have another guy ready for it. Okay, now we're gonna transfer. Okay. I'm gonna do the same thing, tape, initials, sterile date. There is previous tape already left on it. I'm taking that off, and I'm gonna have a new piece of tape that denotes that it was opened today.